everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to explain 4 different concepts in the world of data. So these 4 concepts are very confusing and I'm here to make it very easy for you to understand. So after you're done watching this video, you will not be confused at all about what these things are, right? So we're going to talk about what data analysis is, what data analytics, data science and data engineering, what they are all about. I'm going to give you examples for each of them for you to understand what they are all about. Okay, all right, then let's start. Okay guys, so let's kick off with what data analysis is all about. So data analysis is a process, it's an action, right? It's all about cleaning raw data, transforming raw data in order to make decisions based on it. So data analysis is that you get a data, you collect the data, you clean it. After you're done cleaning it, you transform it and visualize it in order to get what? Insights, in order to get information that will help a business's growth. So for example, in a retail shop, right, you look through a sales data to know what, to understand the products that made the top sales, right? To understand the region that has the highest sales, right? To understand the trends, right? To understand the trends or the patterns in your business. So this is what data analysis is all about. You just want to ask questions about past data and present data in order to make decisions from it, right? In order to drive business growth. So next, we're going to talk about what data analytics is. So data analytics and data analysis are similar, right? But data analytics is broader. Data analytics, not analysis. Data analytics is broader than data analysis, right? So data analytics is also about using data to answer specific business questions. But it's not just understanding the past as data analysis, right? Not just understanding the past as data analysis. Data analysis also makes predictions for the future. So let's say making prediction, example like making prediction on the inventory that will be needed next month based on last year's sales. So data analysis also involves making predictions, but data analysis is just about making decision based on past events or present events. It has to do with future prediction. It doesn't have anything with predicting the future. But data analytics is broader, right? It involves predicting the future based on a past data. Now let's move into data engineering. So data engineering is a little technical, but I'll break it down for you guys. Okay, so data engineering is, they are the builders in the data world, they are the builders of data, right? So what they do is that they create systems and pipelines that allows us to store data, collect data, and process it efficiently. So without data engineers, there won't be any data available to be analyzed. So they're the ones that make data available for data analysts or scientists to use. So they build systems that will collect data, store data, and then process data efficiently, right? That is what data engineering is all about. Now let's talk about data science. So data science is a step beyond data analytics. While data analytics involve answering specific questions, data science goes deeper, right? So data science use more advanced tools like machine learning and AI to make predictions about things that are not even obvious, right? About things that are not obvious. So they use machine learning and AI to make predictions about things that are not even obvious. So they go deeper than data analytics. Data scientists, they use algorithms and they build models to solve complex questions. For example, a data scientist can build a recommendation system for an e-commerce platform. You know how Netflix recommends shows and Amazon suggests products. That's data scientist in action. So it's data gotten from your past behavior to predict what you will like next. So you see TikTok, you see Instagram, whenever you keep liking a particular post and you keep getting that similar post, that is data scientists. They use your past behavior. They collect data about your past behavior to predict what you will like next, to predict what you're likely to do next. That is what data scientist is all about. So I hope you guys have been able to understand what these 4 concepts are all about. Okay, please, if you are still watching the end, don't forget to please just like and subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I post a new video. So see you guys in my next video. Bye.